This comprehensive guide on weight loss covers a wide range of strategies and techniques to aid in weight loss. It starts by discussing the importance of setting realistic and achievable goals and making a plan to stick to. It then delves into various strategies such as incorporating intermittent fasting, high-intensity interval training, nutrient timing, gut health, and building a healthy relationship with food. It also covers techniques such as using supplements, focusing on a balanced macronutrient ratio, meal planning and prepping, increasing non-exercise activity thermogenesis, progressive overload, mental health, sleep schedule, and incorporating variety. The guide also highlights the importance of self-care, self-compassion, and long-term goals. Additionally, it emphasizes the importance of consulting a healthcare professional before starting any weight loss program and listening to your body and taking care of yourself during the journey. This guide provides a comprehensive approach to weight loss that addresses all aspects of health and wellness to help individuals achieve their weight loss goals. For more, download the Ultimate Guide to Weight Loss, a comprehensive guide to achieving your goals. Ebook link in description.